Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on James's DIY projects, we are going to build a mobile camera arm. As you can see, I'll bring this up closer so you guys can look at the design, but I have marked out the round spots that I want to cut. So here, you can see the black on the piece of wood, the cut to make it round. And I will be using a jigsaw to cut it out, but I'm going to show you guys a picture of what it looks like. You guys look right there. You will see that is my mobile arm. I will also make a pivot bracket right here so that it can move back and forth. But that will be for another project. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this out right now, and then I'll show you guys a picture of it when I'm done. Put that in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you see I've cut the tip roundish, and what I'll be doing is I'll be sanding it on a circle sander to smooth it out with the other piece when I'm done cutting it. Hey guys, I'm back again. So, as I was showing you before, I just finished cutting all this stuff out. So I got the round edges, and as you can see I got my circular sander on my other bench that I'm going to sand these on. As well as I went and I cut the holders. There's 3 here. So there's going to be 2 on the base and 1 in the middle. Or sorry, no, all 3 of these are going to be on the base, and I'm going to use the 2 arms to go in the middle. And then I'm going to use something similar to this to make the mover for the back side of the arm. And I'll show you guys that again in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to go just get the sanding, and I'll show you guys a clip after I'm done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've done markings on pieces of wood so I can cut to use as hangers. So give me a second. As I bring this up, you'll notice I've got lines and all that marked. And these will be going in. If you notice here, I have written T for top, so I know where to put it on the hanger. I've already pre-drilled holes into it, so now I just need to drill the screws in. And I'm using an 1.25" construction screw. Just give you a quick shot of this. So top is here. So hit that. Let's go top here. From there. Let's go and put this right there. And you see, I just put one screw in. I'm going to put a second in, but I'm trying to make it so it's lined up with the lines here, okay? Okay, so now I'm back here doing the arm, and as you can see, I've gotten more of the stuff so I can do the swinging base on the arm. So I've already got these marked. You see this one doesn't have any holes in it, but this one does because I've drilled them. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do on this one, is drill them in, and then I'm going to screw them in. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that down and put one of these on, so that way I can move it up and down and side to side. And the other arm I'm building is going to go right up there. If you see right there where that little piece of wood sticking out is right where my arm's going to go. Puts it basically dead center. Okay guys, so here I am. Here I've finished my development for my mobile camcorder arm. So I have it so it can twist in the two different dimensions so that I can pivot it around on my wall. And that one is from right there. I took this one down. You can still see the drill hole marks in there. So I'm going to put this one up right now. So and what I'm going to use to put the piece of wood up in here is 2.5-inch construction screws. But I'm going to have to take this apart so I can put it up. And then I'll reattach it. So I need to go in on the wall like this, and what I want to do, no, I don't want to put it up that high. I want to put it right down here, this. Okay, I have that will get on in a second. I'm just going to go grab my level. that is level. So there we go, it's hung up. Now I'm going to put this back on. And if you look, you'll notice I have a space here, so I can flip it to either side, depending on what I want to do. I need to back that up. Just had to suck it in so it'll work. So it'll go there like that, which is where did it go? Ah, there we go. So there you go, if you guys see, it's connected now. Let me bring it around to here so you can see it right up against the wall. So now I'm going to go and put that arm right there back on. And the other one I'm building will go up there, and I'll show you guys a photo of it after I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back again doing the mobile camcorder arm. As you can see, I've got my camcorder arm up there, which if you relate back to the last bit, you would have seen. And I got this one that's totally done. I was able to go and get all the screw knobs that I need to put it together. So I'm going to go and assemble that one right there. That's hanging up on the wall. And I will get you guys a photo of it when it's done. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a quick sample of how to do this. If you want to look, I got my arm right here. I just fit it in. Take my screw, put it in. Shit, wrong angle. So I just plumb it up. Now I'm just going to screw it in. Hand tight. And I'm going to be cheap. I'm going to use vice grips to tighten it. I already have them preset. Well, that's all I need to do. It's just get them all set in nice and tight. And actually I can't have them that tight. I gotta be able to move my arm up. So let's go and get this up. Cut up like this. Right. And get this tight. There we go. So now I have my arm tight, and I can still adjust it, pull it down. It's just a little tight, so actually I should loosen these up just a bit. So that I can move the arm up and down like that. And that's all done perfectly, and this is done right. So I can get that in there. That'll be tight, like that. You might look and see how these are a little bit off, and yeah, wasn't the best gel. I didn't have my liner for my gel, and now I can move it all the way around, and it'll be perfect. Okay, here you go, guys. I am done my mobile camcorder arm. Sits here, it looks nice, so that I can shoot nice and level photos all the way across. So, one of the next projects I'm going to be doing is going to be making knives. I've already got stuff down here showing for patterns and that. Other one is going to be a knife sharpener. And those are the two projects I want to be doing right away.